Today we are going to discuss about RDA of zinc, means recommended daily allowance of the zinc. This zinc requirement that is differ depending on the different age group. So dietary requirement or recommendation that is 8 and 11 milligram per day for women and men respectively. So for the women that is 8 milligram per day and 11 milligram per day for the men. Further, during pregnancy, zinc requirement that is 11 milligram per day, and further in the lactation that is 12 milligram per day. While during childhood and further in the infancy it is quite lower. So infants up to 12 months the zinc requirement that is 3 milligram per day, while children ages 1 to 13 years of the age particularly it is increasing with the age for 1 to 13 that is 3 to 8 milligram per day. While you have to keep in mind that upper limit for the zinc supplement that is 40 milligram per day. So daily supplement of zinc should not be more than 40 milligram per day. Further, this upper limit that is quite lower for the children. While sometimes there is evidence suggested that more than the recommended daily allowance may be needed in those whose diet is high in the phytate, mostly in the vegetarians. So vegetarians, particularly green leafy vegetables that is containing phytate and that interferes with the zinc absorption. So in this condition, more than RDA, that particular zinc is given as a supplement. Further, which products that is containing this zinc that we will look. So dietary intake in that animal products such as meat, fish, shellfish, fowl, eggs and dairy products that is containing zinc. With a adequate zinc in the soil, here you have to keep in mind zinc sufficiently present in the soil, then food plants that contains the most zinc, they are the mostly wheat and various seeds. These seeds including sesame, poppy, alfalfa, celery and mustard. Further, zinc is also found in the beans, nuts, almond, whole grains, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and blackcurrant. So zinc is sufficiently present in these seeds as well as in this animal product. But for the particularly in these seeds and vegetables, it is needed to presence of zinc in the soil. While important thing that you have to keep in mind, plant phytates are particularly found in pulses and cereals and can interfere with zinc absorption. So this zinc absorption that is affected by these plant phytates. So keep in mind when there's a plant phytate is more in number, there's a more requirement of zinc in the supplement. So that more than RDA, the zinc is given, particularly more number of phytate is there. So that's all about the recommended daily allowance of the zinc.